Shopify product has inventory but shows a sold out. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify product has inventory but shows a sold out. First, log into your Shopify account, then go to Dashboard. Then, on the left side of the screen, click Products and select the product. Scroll down and go to the Inventory section. Make sure the truck quantity is checked, the available quantity is more than zero, the correct location has stock, and at the top, make sure that the status is active. It means that it's available on your online store. Then, after that, at the top bottom, click Save. And that's how to fix Shopify product has inventory but shows a sold out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.